This is the second part. It seems to be someone's version of the birds and the bees for boys at the start of puberty, but it's very hateful. MAN 13:5. The harlot is the destroyer of manhood. She blights the soul. She is the dweller in the antechamber of unclean things, the servant of horrors, the handmaiden of disease. The womanliness of a harlot is as a silken robe on the back of a swine. MAN 13:6. The forces of whoredom are strong. They have servants in the fortress of man's body. They strike when he is weak. They rob and they destroy. They take that which cannot be replaced. MAN 13:7. Flee from all harlots as from a leper, or those with the disease of running sores. Let not the pollutions of harlotry enter the stronghold of your body. Clearly the writer has a hate for women, and it's more likely to make a child run away just from a woman's glance his way.